Hello viewer, welcome back. This is Kausar. Today in this video I am going to unboxing Samsung Galaxy A2 Core. So stay tuned and keep watching until my video is finished. Samsung Galaxy Core 2 first release April 2019 with 5-inch display, slim and thin design. Internal storage space is 8 GB. This phone is supported 4G LTE mode. This phone, Samsung Galaxy A2 Core, use octa-core processor, 8 GB internal memory and 16 GB RAM. Samsung Galaxy A2 Core provide 1 year warranty, but in Africa they can get 24-month warranty. It's good news only for African people. Samsung Galaxy Core 2 camera, display, fingerprint, battery life, etc. You can get more information in my video description. In this video I am not saying this is the best phone ever, but I'm truly said what is the different, what is inside, what is good, what is the bad side. So stay tuned with me and keep watching. So finally I'm going to unboxing it. This is the good box, nice box, nice box. Here is a warranty valid sticker. I'm going to cut it. First I'm cut this side and the other side. Okay, be careful. Now push again. Okay, now it's come out. I'm going to unbox. Yeah, I know this is the user manual only, nothing else. So I make it separate. This is the I made. Okay, this is the phone. I keep it separate, and this is the charger. This is the micro charger, micro USB charger. I'm going to showing you. Okay, one important thing, there is a bad thing. You can't unplug this charger. If this charger is problem, you have to change full of them. Samsung on other series charger have a good option. You can change only cable, but in this phone you can do this. Okay, take a look. This body looking nice. I'm going to turn on it. Wait a few seconds to turn on it. I'm trying to fast forward this video. Okay, now it's turned on. I want to show you total clearly. So first time choose your language, then press start. You can connect your Wi-Fi, otherwise you can skip this. Select all of this. Next, not now. You can do it later. Skip anyway. More. Next. All done. Yeah, and this is the Samsung Galaxy A2 Core home screen. Capacitive touch screen, support 16 color. It's Android operating system 8.0 Oreo Go edition. In this phone, a Samsung Galaxy Core 2 phone use 2600 milliampere nylon battery. If you go setting and about phone, you can show its Android operating system, Android operating version, everything, every details you can find here. Let's go back and talk about something other features. First, I'm going to turn on its camera. Oh, it's looking like, yeah, it's good. Take a picture, go to setting. Okay, let's zoom out it. Yeah, it's looking good. Let's check. Yeah, you can show take a picture and then okay, this is the picture that I take it just some second before. Okay, let's zoom out again and try something else. Okay, where is selfie cam? Here is selfie cam. Yeah, this is the me. Selfie cam is yeah, it's good. It's not too much good, but it's good. You can say it good. Okay, go to main cam. In my opinion, is better. It's good in budget phone. This is the it's good phone. This phone other all features are similar as Android version. Okay, using the all of apps are like same as the previous Android version. Okay, this is the disappointed side that I'm talking you. This phone charger in fast starting I show you, this charger is attached with the cable, but it's not big problem, you can change this cable, it's okay. This is the micro USB 2.0 cable. Take a look how it's looking. Using this phone I shoot some video clips. This is the example. I hope you like this video. Here is the speaker, here is the camera lens, and here is 3.5 mm audio jack port. Here is here is a SIM tray option. For more information, visit my website. I will put it in my video description. Before buy this phone, watch this video and visit my link. In the shortcut menu, here is two options. One is camera and the other is dialer. Using these two shortcut key, you can access this option. Now I am testing is its touch screen capacity. For dialing this code, you can check touch screen capacity. Oops. Oh, it's okay. Using this test, you can easily find how its task work. If my video is helpful, please share with your friend and please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned.